everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple DIY version of the Mario Badescu drying lotion. It's a really good spot treatment for pimples and it is a bit pricey. It's about $17 per bottle. So I thought I'd show you guys a simple 4-ingredient dupe for it that's a fraction of the price. I used to buy a lot of these bottles, well, because I had a lot of acne, and because they're $17, although it seems not that bad at the time, it does add up. So I discovered I could make it from home, and once I've been using it, it's been just as good, if not better, than the original. So the 4 ingredients that you'll need are calamine lotion, witch hazel, isopropyl alcohol, and tea tree oil. So calamine lotion is going to be the pink stuff that you see on the bottom of the bottle. It has really good properties that dry out any blemishes or bad stuff within the skin, and it also is really good at soothing redness and inflammation. So the next ingredient you'll need is witch hazel. Witch hazel is a staple in a lot of people's skincare routines because they use it as a toner. Witch hazel is an astringent, and that formally means it helps contract the skin cells and it helps keep your skin less oily. It should also be noted that witch hazel is going to be the most used clear liquid in this recipe for the DIY drying lotion because it'll help dilute the isopropyl alcohol and the tea tree oil. Next we have isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol. It's usually used to help clean out wounds because it's really good for fighting off bacteria, and of course it just cleans everything. It also really dries out the skin, so if you're using it as a spot treatment in moderation, it can really help bring out those pimples and blemishes. And last but not least, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil. It's very, very, very versatile. You can use it from skincare to just cleaning around the house. It is very, very powerful, so it really needs to be diluted if you use it on your skin. So it will be the least used ingredient for this spot treatment just because it's so powerful, but it is really good at also drying out pimples, and it is also very antimicrobial, which means it fights off bacteria. Okay, so to begin, you're gonna want a tiny little bottle like this. I have the Mario Badescu bottle from the last time I purchased it, which is from a while ago, and it's plastic. But if you have a glass version of a tiny little bottle like this, I would use that just because it helps contain the liquids better. Okay, so the first ingredient you're gonna wanna put in is the calamine lotion because it's gonna rest on the bottom of the bottle, just like the original Mario Badescu drying lotion. So I don't have exact measurements, so you're just gonna have to eyeball it. I usually fill this up about 1/4 of the way with calamine lotion. All right, this looks about right. So as you can see, it takes up about 1/4 of the bottle, and that's it for the calamine lotion. All right, and next I'm gonna be using the witch hazel. I'm gonna use, out of the witch hazel, the rubbing alcohol, and the tea tree, I'm gonna use the witch hazel the most because it's gonna help dilute the other ingredients. And this is gonna take about 1/2 or 1/3 of this container. Again, just eyeball it. I added the witch hazel. It goes about to where I'm pointing right here. And I think that's enough for now. And next we're gonna add the rubbing alcohol. I'm going to add just enough so there is still enough space for several drops of tea tree oil. All right, that looks good. And as you can see, there's still some space for tea tree. So I'm just gonna add that. Again, you only wanna put a little bit because it is very powerful. So the rest of the ingredients will help dilute it. And there you have it. As you can see, the calamine lotion is resting on the bottom, and on the top we have our clear ingredients, and it looks exactly like the Mario Badescu drying lotion. Of course, there's many different variations of how you can make this spot treatment, so it's completely up to you if you want to add or replace any of the ingredients I mentioned. I do want to make sure that it's important that I mention that the tea tree oil should be diluted because using too much of it can cause skin, especially sensitive skin, to be irritated, so I only put a very little amount of that in there. So if you would like to use this, you just use it the same as the regular Mario Badescu drying lotion. If anyone remembers in 2016 when Kylie Jenner put this on her Snapchat story, it blew up and everybody was so interested in using it. That's when I think it really started to gain popularity. But the way that you use it is you'll take a Q-tip, cotton swab, whatever you'd like, and you never shake or mix this. You always want to have the Calamine lotion on the bottom to be separated from the top. You'll take this, dip it in like so, and you should have a Q-tip with the Calamine lotion and all of the other ingredients on one side of the cotton swab, and then you would just use it to apply to your skin like so. And it's just a really powerful spot treatment. It helps me. My own DIY version of this works just as good or even better than the original, so I highly recommend this if you are interested in the Mario Badescu drying lotion, or if you already are purchasing it, you should really try out the DIY version. It is something worth trying just if you're looking to save some money here and there, or you just think buying it is a hassle. This is definitely worth a try. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you try this out. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below and I'll respond to you guys. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. I have videos every single Sunday. Thanks again. Bye guys.